All right, guys, I am at the GM tent. Unfortunately, the ZR1s have not shown up yet. However, the new yellow, the competition yellow, showed up on a Z06 and it's got the new wheels on it. So we're gonna take a look at that and see what you guys think. And I'm gonna let you know what my thoughts are on it because I haven't seen it yet in person. This is the first time. So guys, this is a Z07, brand new competition yellow. Everything carbon fiber. Look at that. Massive dive planes. But these are the new wheels. And I do have to say, I like them like this. I do not like the two-tone effect on that wheel at all. But I definitely like them as one color. So it's got the carbon fiber side rockers. And then this has the GT3 competition seats. Let's see if I can get a good, there we go. So beautiful interior, yellow stitching, black, yellow seat belts. And I have to say, I do like this color better in person, for sure. Black tip exhaust. Big old carbon fiber wing. Let me get around to the front here. And those calipers do look better now that I see them in person as well. This camera is definitely not doing it justice though. It's making it look, I don't know. It's making it look a little bit darker yellow than it really truly is. I wish we could see it in the sun, but I like it. I did not think I was gonna like it, but I do. So let me know what you guys think. Let's take a look at this Rapid Blue E-Ray. What a gorgeous spec this is. The only thing I think it's missing is the black tip exhaust, but it's got the body color accents. See that? The rear vent, the side wishbone, and it's got the yellow calipers on it, which is really interesting on this blue. Especially because when I show you the interior, you will understand why I'm kind of confused that they went with yellow calipers. But I do like the black wheels. It does have the nice front carbon flash splitter on it. But yeah, look at the interior here. It's a black interior, but it's got the blue seat belt. And it's got the level 2 carbon fiber. So I like it. That is a very, very pretty E-Ray. I think it's a beautiful spec. Let me know what you guys think about those yellow calipers, though, on the Rapid Blue E-Ray. And then last but not least, they've got a torch red Stingray here. It's got the new 5-spoke wheels. Red calipers. This is a torch red Stingray. It's a convertible. This was at the bash. It's got the carbon flash roof and nacelles, and then it's got the brand new Z51 spoiler. And the black tip exhaust. So, and then they went with a natural interior. And this also has the competition GT3 seats. Good looking spec, for sure. I think torch red with the natural interior looks fantastic. So there you go. Those are 3 GM cars that have shown up so far. But
I see you everywhere.
Oh, yeah? Well, thank you for your support. What's your name?
Sam.
Sam.
I'm from Canada.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Very nice to meet you.
I see you all the time.
Awesome.
I saw the last one I saw was your check engine, like 200 kilometers.
Oh, I got a lot more videos out since then. Yeah, it's good to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should check out the latest one. It's lowered now. Yeah, my car's lowered now, and it totally changed the look.
I check it.
Awesome. Thank you for your support. Appreciate it.
I like those new wheels. I like the new wheels.
I do too, man. They don't look good as a two-tone,
Easy to clean too.
but oh yeah, super easy to clean.
The two-tone look weird.
Yeah, the
Those
two-tone
things
looks
look
super
so good.
weird.
That car looks so good. That color.
It actually looks a lot better than I thought it was
I did
going to
too,
look.
yeah. With the black on top.
Yeah, it pops big time.
I wouldn't think yellow calipers and yellow car would look good, but it looks
Well,
so good.
speaking of yellow calipers, what do you think of the yellow calipers on the Rapid
Amazing.
Blue?
Amazing.
Yeah. I like it. I just think the only thing they should have done is put yellow seat belts to match the yellow calipers, but I do like the blue seat belts as well. It's gorgeous. So there you have it. That's, like I said, what GM brought. And so far, the ZR1s have not shown up, but I'll get footage of those as soon as they do.